This is an unboxing video of the micro drip irrigation system that I'll be using for my garden. I opted to get the 164-foot hose because I wanted to make sure I can run the line from the front of my house to the back. In the box, we have a content page, then a big bag that holds all the content. First thing I see is the hose connector with a roll of tape. Next, we have a bag of spikes that will hold the hose to the ground. Then we have a bag of drippers, and then some nozzles, and then we have this bag of T-connectors. And in this bag, we have 3 end closures to plug up the end of the hose. And then we have the roll of the 1/4-inch hose, which feels nice and flexible. It looks and feels like good quality rubber, so it shouldn't break or crack. The drippers are adjustable and they have a clicky feel to it. The nozzles, however, does not have a clicky feel to it, but still feels nice to twist. All the plastic feels well made, so I'm pretty excited to get this installed.